In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and make use of years. Once the page loads, you'll see your calendar interface with all your scheduled events, tasks, and appointments. On the upper left corner of the screen, there's a plus sign. Click on this to open the options for creating new entries. Among the options, select Event to begin scheduling. Here you can type in the details of your event in the highlight field. Ensuring all pertinent information is accurately entered will save time and reduce the chance of double bookings. Now, let's set a date by clicking on Monday, September 8th. A calendar view appears showing each day and time slot for your convenience. Click on the 15th to set the event date. Following this, you can assign a time for your event by clicking on 11:15 a.m. from the available time slots. Again, ensure this timing aligns with your schedule to make the most of your day. Next, set the event duration by clicking on 12 p.m. and indicating it's a 45-minute appointment. By doing so, you'll not only block out the required time but also allocate buffer space before and after the event itself. Now, let's move on to appointments. Go back to the plus sign and select Appointment Schedule. This feature allows you to set aside blocks of time for others to reserve. Click on Add another period to this day and you will see a new entry option. Fill in the relevant details and once satisfied, move to the next step. To finalize, click on Next and then Save to confirm your changes. If you need to share this schedule, simply click on Copy Link, which provides a shareable URL directing others to the schedule interface. Let's finish by adding a task. Head back to the plus sign, select Task, and indicate Sep 8 2025 as due. Tasks are perfect for reminding yourself of minor but important chores you might forget otherwise. After entering this information, ensure everything is in order. For your convenience, you can navigate quickly to any day of the month by simply clicking on his day number in the calendar view and make additional changes as needed. Google Calendar's flexibility is essential for personal time management and collaboration with others. Make use of these features to streamline your daily routine and ensure you never miss an important event again. That's all for today's walkthrough on effectively using Google Calendar. Thank you for watching.